Hello and welcome. In today's how-to tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install Notepad++ on Windows 10 PC. Okay, first thing we want to do is open up our browser. Mine is going to be Google Chrome. Okay, and in the search bar, you want to search for Notepad++ and type it in, hit enter. And you want to look for the notepadplus.org website, which is usually the top result. Click the link. Once you get to the downloads page, these are in order by the latest version, going down to the older versions. So click the top result. Mine is 8.5.1.1. I'm going to click that. Okay, and now we're at the download page for that specific version of Notepad++. At the top is downloads for 64-bit, 32-bit, ARM64. These packages are references to the type of operating system that you're running. Newer computers are running on 64-bit operating systems. So you want to hit the green download button, click that. And that is going to download the installer for Notepad++. Once it has finished, you want to click on it. You want to allow the installer to run. So in user account control, you want to click yes. And you can select your language on the installer. English is okay for me, so I'm going to click OK. And welcome to Notepad++ 8.5.1 setup. Just click next. License agreement terms. Just scroll through them or click and then click I agree. Choose install location. By default, the destination folder is C program files, Notepad++, and then you can also check your space requirement. So this install would require 11.7 megabytes of free space, and right now I have the space available of 42.8 gigabytes, so that's not a problem. Let's click next. This is the component screen. You can customize your install, select or unselect options. Usually the default options are fine, so you just want to click next. Okay, and now you have a chance to create a shortcut on your desktop. I'm going to create one, so put a check mark in the box and hit install. Okay, and you have completed the Notepad++ setup, and you can run Notepad for the first time. Just hit finish. Okay, and here is the changelog, and you have finished downloading and installing Notepad++. You can close out your browser, and you can close out Notepad until you're ready to use it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to comment below, rate this video, and subscribe for more content.